Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel New York Uncovered, and it's me Daniel Marks. So today I will discuss all about the history of Statue of Liberty. I will discuss the history, design and cultural significance of this extraordinary monument. And before I'm gonna start the video, I request you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel to support me. So let's dive straight into the video. The Statue of Liberty, a symbol of freedom and hope. The Statue of Liberty stands tall in the New York harbor, an enduring symbol of freedom, democracy, and opportunity, officially named Liberty. Enlightening the world, this iconic landmark has welcomed millions of immigrants to shores of America, representing hope and promise of better life. Now we will discuss the history of the Statue of Liberty. The Statue of Liberty was a gift from France to United States, commemorating the centennial of American independence and celebrating the friendship between two nations. The idea of the statue originated in 1865 when French historian Édouard de Laboulaye suggested creating a monument to honor the shared idea of liberty and democracy. The renowned French sculptor Frédéric Auguste Bertholdi was tasked with designing the statue. After years of planning and construction, Lady Liberty was finally completed in France in 1884. The statue was dismantled into 350 individual pieces and packed into 214 crates and shipped across the Atlantic Ocean. Aboard the French frigate Iris, it arrived in New York on June 17, 1885. The pedestal, however, was not yet ready. Fundraising efforts spearheaded by publisher Joseph Balthazar brought into donations from Americans across the country, demonstrating the widespread admiration for the project. Once the pedestal was completed, the statue was assembled on Liberty Island. On October 28, 1886, President Grover Cleveland presided over the statue's dedication ceremony. Now we will discuss the construction and design of the Statue of Liberty. The Statue of Liberty is a masterpiece of art and engineering, standing 305 feet and 6 inches tall. From the base of the pedestal to the tip of the torch, it was the tallest structure in New York City at the time of its unveiling. Now we will discuss the sculptural features of the statue. Lady Liberty is depicted as a robed female figure representing Libertas, the Roman goddess of liberty. She holds a torch in her right hand symbolizing enlightenment and a table in her left hand inscribed with the date of Declaration of Independence, July 4, 1776. At her feet lies a broken chain signifying freedom from oppression and tyranny. Now we will discuss about the copper exterior of the statue. The statue's exterior is made of copper sheets hammered into shape and assembled over a steel framework. Over the time, copper developed a green patina due to the oxidation, which now serves as a protective layer and gives the statue its distinctive appearance. Now we will talk about the structural support of the statue. The steel framework designed by the Gustave Eiffel, famous for the Eiffel Tower, provides the stability and allows the statue to withstand high winds and other environmental stresses. This innovative design was crucial to the statue's durability and has helped it endure for well over a century. Now we will discuss the symbolism of the Statue of Liberty. The Statue of Liberty is much more than a mere monument. It embodies the principles of freedom and democracy, human rights. Its powerful symbolism resonates not only with the Americans but with the people around the world. Number 1. Beacon of Hope. From millions of immigrants arriving in United States of America through Ellis Island, the site of the Statue of Liberty was their first glimpse of America. It becomes a symbol of hope and new beginnings, welcoming those seeking refuge, freedom and opportunity. Number 2. Global icon. The statue's torch represents enlightenment and the pursuit of knowledge, while its overall presence underscores the values of liberty and justice. It is a global symbol of the United States commitment to these ideas. Number third, women's rights. Over the years, Lady Liberty also become a symbol of women's empowerment and the fight for gender equality. The image of strong, independent female figure holding the torch of enlightenment continues to inspire people advocating for justice and equality. Now we will discuss all about the modern day significance of the Statue of Liberty. The Statue of Liberty remains a cherished symbol in American culture and a destination for visitors from around the world. Located on Liberty Island in the middle of the New York Harbor, it is managed by a National Park Service and is a part of the Statue of Liberty National Monument, which also includes the Ellis Island. Now we'll talk about the tourism and accessibility. Millions of people visit Liberty Island each year to marvel at the statue and take in stunning views of New York City. Visitors can tour the pedestal and, for those who book in advance, climb the narrow staircases to the crown for a breathtaking panoramic view. Now we'll talk about the cultural events and celebrations. The Statue of Liberty often plays a central role in national celebrations, including Independence Day and other patriotic events. It has also been featured in countries, films, TV shows, and works of arts, reinforcing its status as a cultural icon. Now we'll talk about the preservation efforts made for preserving the Statue of Liberty. Maintaining the Statue of Liberty is no small feat. Over the years, numerous restoration projects have been undertaken to preserve its structural integrity and historical significance. The most extensive renovation took place in the 1980s, leading up to its centennial celebration in 1986. So this all is the information about the Statue of Liberty, an iconic landmark of the New York City. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Thanks a lot for watching.